Hi Beb! This is Ivy and welcome to my channel. Sa mga nagtatanong kung paano ang gagawin kapag hindi na active ang bank account na naka-enroll sa DAEM, stay tuned lang po kayo dahil for today's video, I'm gonna show you how to reactivate your disbursement account or DAEM online. If you are interested na malaman kung paano ito gawin, please keep watching until the end of this video. Kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, I invite you to please do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell para updated ka sa mga bago kong video gaya nito. Without any further ado, let's get started. Now, let's do the reactivation of DAEM. Pumunta sa SSS website, just enter your credentials login. May separate video ako kung paano mag-reset ng password if ever na nalock ang account nyo. Now, click sign in. May magpa-pop up na data privacy notice. After reading, click I agree. Then, proceed po tayo sa services. Under services, click disbursement account. Another prompt message for disbursement account enrollment reminders. After reading, tick box to certify and understand the reminders. Then, click proceed. As you can see here, dito may disbursement accounts for reactivation ang naka-enroll na DAEM noon gaya ng Land Bank. Now, let's click reactivate para maging active ulit ito. Another prompt message to review the disbursement account information gaya ng bank name at account number. Click proceed if you want to reactivate your disbursement account. Ayan, may notice na you have successfully reactivated your disbursement account. Aside from that, syempre kailangan mo pa rin mag-attach ng supporting documents for reactivation. Okay, just click close. Balik lang po ulit tayo sa My Disbursement Account. Sa pag-a-upload ng supporting documents ay halos same lang naman din po sa pag-e-enroll ng DAEM. Reminder lang Beb, make sure na naka-ready na yung inyong documents na i-upload gaya ng proof of account, valid ID, at selfie. Now, i-click ang upload. First, upload the proof of account. As you can see here, dapat ang file na i-upload nyo ay naka-JPG at PDF format. At hindi ito lalagpas ng 3 MB. Also, less than 50 characters at no special characters naman ang file name, gaya nito. Now, let's upload the proof of account, which is ATM card ang gamit ko na makikita ang account name, account number, and bank name gaya nito. Now, i-click lang ang draft files here or click to upload. Mostly talaga ang ginagawa ko sa mga video ko for DAEM enrollment, halos deposit slip lang ang gamit ko. Dahil yung ibang ATM card po ay hindi kita ang bank account number. Ayan, uploaded na. Next, ID card or identification document. Ito naman yung list ng mga valid ID na ina-accept ng SSS. For now, I prefer UMID ID and click this. Lastly, selfie photo na hawak mo yung proof of account at valid ID gaya nito. Make sure lang Beb na ito ay hindi blurred at readable ang details ng mga hawak mo lalo na kapag nag-zoom ng photo. Magpa-picture na lang po kayo para mas maayos ang kuha. After that, click next. Here, pwede nyo na pong i-review yung mga attachment bago i-submit. I-click lang po yung review para ma-double check kung tama ang naka-upload gaya nito. Kung gusto nyo namang pong palitan, i-click lang po ang upload file. Pero kung tama naman po yung in-upload nyo, i-click lang po ang close. After review, click submit. There you go! You have successfully submitted your proof of account to SSS. At i-check nyo na lang din po ang inyong email para sa confirmation notice from SSS gaya nito. Pwede nyo naman din pong makita ang DAEM notification through your My.SSS account. Proceed lang po kayo dito sa notification bell and click this. At i-click lang ang disbursement account enrollment status. Ito po yung notification during reactivation. At dito naman po natin makikita ang notification after submitting supporting documents. Para naman po makita ang status ng DAEM, proceed lang po tayo sa Services. Under Services tab, click Disbursement Account. Another prompt message for disbursement account enrollment reminders. After reading, tick box to certify and understand the reminders. Then, click Proceed. Ayan! Kapag active disbursement account na ang nakalagay dito, ibig sabihin, ito po ay approved na or registered na ito as DAEM. At pwede mo na po itong magamit para sa SSS benefits or kapag maglo-loan ka. So I think that's it for this video. Sana nakatulong sa inyo and thank you so much sa wala niyong sawang pagsubaybay sa mga video ko. Please do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga bago kong video gaya nito. Thank you and God bless everyone. Follow for more.